Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to control noise in a live classroom when using the BigBlueButton. When your learners are logged in the live classroom, the BB button, you'll find them appearing here, and you'll know the number of the users through this icon. You'll be able to find them there. Like for instance, in this class, I'm the only one who is logged in. So if they're about 1,500, you'll find them there. There's this button here or the gear that helps you to manage the noise. You click on it. You first of all find this turn off meeting mute, meaning you click that one, everybody is now live. Immediately, it gives you the second option that says mute all users except the presenter. Then it means it's only the presenter that the voice will be active. And because it's a class and it should be a live classroom, just like a face-to-face classroom, it is important to train the learners from their end to learn how to unmute themselves when requested to unmute, or unmute themselves when they want to contribute in the discussion that's going on in the class. Because a live classroom need also to be interactive, just as the face-to-face classroom. Trust that helps.